So, as you can see, that's not good at all. New bearings here and there. So, yeah, they look really good. The camshaft is really good too. Without measuring, I know already that is something wrong with this one. Why? As you can see, this one, very good, but this one doesn't feel right.